Hello friends, in this video we are going to see compare and merge in MS PowerPoint. There are the situation in which you might end up with the more than one version of the same presentation. For instance, you could create a multiple drafts and collaborate them with a unique copy. You can easily compare and combine multiple versions of your PowerPoint by using the compare feature available in MS PowerPoint. This allows you to see the difference between the two versions of the same presentation so that you could decide the change which change you want to include and for the your final versions. So basically if you want to see the compare option, it is available in the review. Now I have one document which is very much similar to it. So here you can see the document 2 which has the first slide compare and merge and the second slide shapes with the circle, square and with the shapes, and the original which I have doesn't have the shapes here. So if I want to compare that presentation with this presentation, so I will click on the review, click on the compare, select the presentation which you want to compare and merge it. Now it will show you the option, the inserted shapes by the Lenovo, the whichever name you have given to your computer, so the author's name will be printed over here. So if you have given some name to your computer, then it will show the name of yours. Currently the name of this computer is Lenovo, that's why it is showing the Lenovo. Now if I want to accept the changes, I have to select this. If I don't want to accept it, now if I accept the changes, it will get inserted over here. And if I reject all the changes, then it will be removed. So it is very simple. If you want to compare, use this option. If you want to accept the changes which you have created, then use this option. If you want to reject it, then use this option. And if you want to see whichever changes are there, you can use the previous next like this. So I have only one change in between the two slides, so it is showing only one. If you have a multiple changes, then it will show you the multiple options. Now the reviewing pane you want, then you can use it. If you don't want, you can hide it. Next one is the end review. If you click over there, it will ask you, are you sure you want to end the review of compare and merge? If you want to say yes, press S, then no. Now it's very simple to use when you have a multiple copies of same presentation. So basically in compare and merge of MS PowerPoint, you compare two PowerPoints, review one by one side by side, then accept and reject the changes, and you can see all the changes you have made in the reviewing pane, and you can also end the review. So it's very useful when you have a multiple copies of same presentation and you want to compare it. Thank you.